Hey everyone, Selena here from Rick's Review Hub, and I'm super excited to talk about the Magic Seal commercial grade vacuum sealer machine. If you love saving food, prepping meals, or keeping your pantry stocked for the long haul, this sealer could be your new kitchen MVP. Stick with me as we dive into its features, break down the pros and cons, and figure out if it's worth your money. Let's jump in. So, what's the deal with the Magic Seal commercial grade vacuum sealer? This beast is built for serious food storage with a powerful 1,100-watt motor that delivers strong suction for airtight seals. It works with both textured and smooth bags, including Mylar, making it perfect for everything from meal prep to long-term storage. The 12-inch wide, 8mm thick seal bar ensures leak-proof seals, and you get dual modes, automatic for quick sealing or manual for delicate items like berries or soups. It also has a built-in cooling system, so you can seal continuously without overheating, and a handy bag cutter lets you resize bags in seconds. Plus, it comes with a starter kit of bags to get you going right out of the box. Now, let's talk about pros. This sealer is a workhorse, handling bulk sealing like a champ, which is great for big families or small businesses. It's super versatile, sealing moist and dry foods with no issues, and the wide seal keeps food fresh for ages. The controls are easy to use, and the starter kit is a nice touch. Users love how reliable and durable it feels, especially for the price. But there are a few cons. It's a bit bulky, so you'll need some counter or storage space. There's no on-off switch, meaning you have to unplug it to turn it off, which can be a hassle. Some folks also mentioned the cord could use better storage to keep things tidy. Should you get the Magic Seal commercial grade vacuum sealer? If you're into meal prepping, sous vide cooking, or storing bulk buys like grains or freeze-dried foods, this machine is a fantastic choice. Its power, versatility, and solid build make it a great value for home or light commercial use. Ready to seal the deal? Check out the Magic Seal commercial grade vacuum sealer using the link in the description below for the best pricing and any special promos from Rick's Review Hub. If this review helped you out, please hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more honest reviews to shop smarter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.